number one was when you knocked on my door. Clue number two was the look that you wore. And that's when I knew it was a pretty good sign.